Can I place a special order?
Yes, we can arrange that for you.
Can I place a special order?
Yes, we can arrange that for you.
Do you offer home delivery?
Yes, for orders over $50.
Do you offer home delivery?
Yes, for orders over $50.
Where can I weigh my vegetables?
There's a scale in the produce section.
Where can I weigh my vegetables?
There's a scale in the produce section.
Can I speak to the manager?
Sure, I'll call them for you.
Can I speak to the manager?
Sure, I'll call them for you.
What time do fresh products arrive?
Usually around 9 a.m.
What time do fresh products arrive?
Usually around 9 a.m.
Are there any promotions today?
Yes, check the flyer at the entrance.
Are there any promotions today?
Yes, check the flyer at the entrance.
Can I park for free?
Yes, for up to 2 hours.
Can I park for free?
Yes, for up to 2 hours.
Do you have a lost and found?
Yes, please check with customer service.
Do you have a lost and found?
Yes, please check with customer service.
Can I use my own containers?
Yes, but please have them weighed first.
Can I use my own containers?
Yes, but please have them weighed first.
Is there a senior discount?
Yes, on Tuesdays for customers over 60.
Is there a senior discount?
Yes, on Tuesdays for customers over 60.